Welcome to Robone Chip, where curiosity leads the way. Today we're exploring biomes, Earth's natural neighbourhoods, shaped by climate and home to amazing plants and animals. A biome is a large area of Earth that has a similar climate, plants and animals. Earth is divided into different types of biomes. Before we dive into the details, let's learn through a short story. Join Nestor and Terra as they travel across Earth and discover its different biomes.
Welcome, Terra. Today we are exploring the biomes, said Nestor, clicking a button on his grand globe. A biome is a huge area defined by its climate, things like temperature and rainfall, that determines what plants and animals can live there. Think of it as Earth's biggest neighborhoods. We are going on a journey to see how life adapts to its specific home. First stop, the tundra. It's freezing cold and windy, with permafrost beneath the soil. Not much can grow, mostly just low-lying mosses and lichens. Animals, like the thick-furred Arctic fox, have to adapt to the short, harsh summers and long, dark winters by having layers of fat and small ears to conserve heat. Now let's jump to the desert. This is the opposite. Extremely hot during the day, cold at night, and very little rainfall. Plants like cacti store water in fleshy stems, and animals, like the nimble desert fox, are often nocturnal to avoid the blazing sun. Look how life adapts. The tundra fox has thick fur and a compact body for warmth, while the desert fox has enormous ears to radiate heat and keep cool. Both face extreme temperatures, but survival is all about fitting your neighborhood. Animals evolve specific traits to handle the specific conditions of their biome. Next, the wide-open grasslands. These are flat or rolling areas, perfect for grazing animals. They get more rain than a desert, but not enough for forests. Fires are common, so grasses are tough and grow back quickly from the root. The forest biomes are defined by trees. We start north in the boreal or taiga forest. Here, the climate is cold, and trees are mostly needle-leaved evergreens, like pines. Their waxy needles prevent water loss during the freezing winters. Animals like the moose have long legs to move through deep snow. Traveling south, we find temperate forests. These are our familiar deciduous forests, trees that lose their broad leaves in the fall. We see 4 distinct seasons here, and animals like deer adapt by storing food and growing thick winter coats to survive the colder months. Deep in the tropics is the rainforest, hot, wet, and incredibly diverse. The plants compete for sunlight, creating layers from the forest floor to the emergent canopy. Many animals, like colorful monkeys and birds, live high up in the trees and rarely touch the ground. Finally, the aquatic biomes. Water covers most of our planet. This includes freshwater, rivers, lakes, and marine water, oceans, coral reefs. Coral reefs are like underwater cities, full of life, perfectly adapted to the salty conditions and specific light levels. From the frozen tundra to the deep, salty sea, every biome is a unique home, defined by temperature and rainfall. Remember, climate dictates life, and life adapts. Now we know Earth's neighborhoods. Terra, where do you want to visit next?
Now that we've traveled the world with Nestor and Terra, let's slow down and understand what they discovered. We're going to explore each biome, one by one, where it is found, what it's like, and which plants and animals live there. The tundra is found near the North Pole, in places like Alaska, Canada, and Siberia.
It is extremely cold, windy, and frozen for most of the year.
Animals like polar bears, Arctic foxes, and reindeer live here. They have thick fur, layers of fat, and small ears to stay warm. Not many plants grow here, mostly moss and lichens. The ground stays frozen all year. This is called permafrost. Next up, we move from icy lands to hot and dry regions, the desert biome.
Deserts are very dry, hot in the day, and cold at night.
Animals include camels, desert foxes, snakes, etc. These animals save water, come out mostly at night, and have special bodies to handle heat. Next up is the grassland biome. Grasslands are wide, open areas covered mostly with grass and very few trees. Grasslands are found in places like Africa, North America, and Asia. They are home to lots of different types of animals such as elephants, zebras, and wildebeest. They live there as it is perfect for grazing animals, and predators can easily hunt in open spaces. Next, we step into the forest biomes, some of the most diverse and life-filled places on Earth. But not all forests are the same. Let's explore the 3 types of forest biomes: boreal or taiga forests, temperate forests, and tropical rainforests. The boreal or taiga forest is found in the cold northern parts of the world, like Canada and Russia. It has long, cold winters and short summers. Animals such as moose, wolves, and bears live here. The trees have needle-shaped leaves to hold in water, and animals have thick fur to stay warm. Temperate forests are found in Europe, parts of Asia, and North America. They experience 4 clear seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. Animals like deer, squirrels, and many birds live here because food is available throughout the year. To survive colder winters, animals store food, grow thicker fur, or migrate when temperatures drop. Tropical rainforests are found near the equator, in places like the Amazon, Africa, and Southeast Asia. They are hot, wet, and humid all year, which helps plants grow very quickly. Animals such as monkeys, parrots, frogs, and jaguars live here because there is plenty of food and shelter. The forest grows in layers, so plants can reach sunlight, and animals can live at different heights. Fun fact: more than half of all the species on Earth live in tropical rainforests. Aquatic biomes are places where life depends on water. They include rivers, lakes, and ponds, where fresh water flows or stays still. Animals like fish, frogs, and turtles live here because water provides food, shelter, and a safe place to grow and reproduce. So now we've travelled across Earth's incredible biomes, from the icy tundra to dry deserts, wide grasslands, deep forests, and the vast aquatic world. Each biome may look very different, but they all have one thing in common: life has learned to adapt. Plants and animals survive because they are perfectly suited to their climate, their land, and their water. Biomes remind us that Earth is made up of many connected homes, and when we protect one biome, we help protect life everywhere. Next time you see an animal or plant, ask yourself, which biome does it belong to, and why? Thanks for learning with Robone Chip. See you in the next discovery.